Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact SuperBox S3 Pro model and current firmware version so you get the right file. Plug a FAT32 USB drive into your computer and copy the downloaded firmware file to its root. Back up your settings now. Note channel lists, network passwords, and any IPTV or account details. Once done, power off the box, insert the USB, and power it back on to trigger the boot menu. This initiates the update sequence and avoids later missteps. You now enter the recovery menu using the remote key sequence during startup. Hold the specified button until the menu appears to access update options. Navigate to install from USB, choose the firmware file, and confirm. This tells the bootloader to flash the image. Watch the progress bar. The system will extract and write partitions. Make sure not to interrupt power or remove the USB drive because a mid-flash cut can brick the device. Let the box complete its automated steps fully. Once flashing finishes, the box will reboot automatically. Allow it to boot to normal mode and complete the initial setup wizard. You should then check the firmware version in settings to confirm the update applied, reconnect Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and restore your saved configurations or re-enter account credentials. If channels or apps behave oddly, make sure caches are cleared. If the unit fails to boot or features are missing, try reflashing the correct firmware or perform a factory reset from recovery. Those are the primary recovery options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.